Go peace to you all, family. I hope you are all good. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe and join the family if you are interested in African spirituality. And I'm from Ghana, from the Ashanti tribe, so I talk about akooooo teachings, #akooooo teachings. So if you want to know more about your ancestors, and all that you want to know, and you do not have to be a African or black descendant to know about your ancestors. So welcome. Join the family, and we keep growing each and every day. Welcome. I am Cecilia. So this week, I asked our ancestors, our guidance, source, spirit, to guide us on our financial situation the week of April 19th, from Monday to Sunday. So what is the energy like? What is happening in the air about our money? Is the money? Is that a song? Yeah. Forgive me. I'm a bit overboard, but yeah. So let's start. The first tarot, here we go. The first tarot that came, can you see it? Yeah. The Hermit. The first card is the Hermit, and also for sometimes I read as it is, but if I receive message, if any turn intuitive, I will direct in also. So first, maybe your financial situation is not best. It's not what you are expecting. So the message here is, don't focus too much energy on it. Don't put too much of your energy on it. If it's working good, I'm happy. I'm great. Congratulations. If it's not there yet, please, my loved ones, don't focus too much on it. Don't let it become an anxiety. Check on it. Do your best, but don't put too much of your energy focusing what is not there yet. Yeah, I've already said it. Like, check on it. Do your best to put your financial in all that in your possible best in the physical realm that we are, to do what all that you can. But if the reward is not here yet, don't focus too much energy on it. And the second one is Four of Wands. So the first one was, don't focus too much on what is not working yet, what is not happening yet for you. And the second one is Four of Wands. It's here. It's happening. The good news is the week that you get along with your colleagues. Is the week that some of us are going to get promotions. Is the week that unexpected abundance happening for us, and is the week to participate in celebration. So whether and I know a lot of people, because of the situation we are in right now, there's not a lot of like parties, etc. But even if it's on Zoom, a virtual meeting, a virtual celebration, be part of that happiness, be part of that joy. If your friend calls you to say something, some good news that have happened to them, celebrate with them. If you are scrolling through Instagram or social media and you see something good, someone celebrating something, like it. because you deserve to be celebrated as well. Reflect the love you want to receive toward others. So it's here, it's happening. Participate. If it's in the Zoom meeting, contribute your little knowledge, that little energy that you think, oh, it's nothing, it's a great thing. Put your ideas in that, contribute, be part of it. And the third one is the chariot. Chariot or chariot? I don't know. So here it is. So as I said earlier, maybe you are financially struggling. Maybe for some, I'm hearing for some, even paying the rent or having food is hard nowadays. You are really in difficult place. And for some, I'm hearing some are going to travel or transfer from their job. Yeah, traveling. See, I'm hearing a lot of traveling. So for those who are, for those who are struggling, you are going to transfer from that struggle. You are going to overcome it. You know, that situation that you are seeing no light, you are seeing no end to it. Maybe for several months or for several years, you have been struggling with your financial situation that sometimes even asking for help is hard or no one is there to help you. But trust me, all the change, all the transfer is here this week, the week of 19th of April. And also for those who are entrepreneurs, who are who do a lot of shipping, is the week of that you are going to get a lot of command, or a lot of people are going to buy from you. So you need to pull off your stock. So for those who are struggling, you are going to shift the energy. The problem is going to shift to the positive side. For the entrepreneurs, you are going to go a lot. You are going to ship a lot of things because people are going to buy from you. And for those who job requires service, like moving, going to the buyer's place or the render service, like the plombier, the other repairs things in the house of others. Yeah, you are going to, your job, you are going to be needed. Your service is going to be needed. So all is good. All that I'm hearing and seeing is good. The week of 19th of April 2021, the financial energy, the financial abundance is good. And last but not least, the Three of Pentacles. Mentor, partnership is here. All the effort you have put in your job, all the little things that you have been doing for years, for months, for days, for hours, you have been putting in. Trust the universe, trust your ancestors. Source of life is happening for you. To you and for you. It's happening. You are being rewarded abundantly. And also maybe an older lady or older elderly person is going to a mature person in your industry, in your sector, is going to guide you the steps you need to take. And if you are working, if you need a guidance, a mentor, is the week to ask for, and they will not say no. They are going to say yes. So your little things, energy that you have been putting into your work, or the manifestation that you have been manifesting for, is happening. So look forward to And also I'm hearing save. So even if you receive unexpected money here, even unexpectedly you get promoted, or you get a money financial assistant, or financial help, you get money that you were not expecting. You want to celebrate, you want to treat your family, your friends, but remember to save some. Remember, be wise with your money. You can shop. I love shopping. You can shop, you can do, but remember that, for example, if you are buying a 2,000 handbag, remember that you have 4,000 or 6,000 in your savings. Don't spend, don't go overboard because you unexpectedly got it. Be wise and save some. And that was it for the week. Stay blessed, and stay wonderfully you. Bye-bye.